Hello, hello friends, this is Lindsay for Fontsy. Thanks so much for joining us for today's project video tutorial, which I'm so excited to share with you. We are making a butterfly mobile. So we're taking some 3D layered paper butterflies. And so we'll show you how to make those, but also how to make them double-sided so you can hang them and suspend them from a mobile. And these make like great bedroom decorations or party decorations. And we'll show you how to put it all together as well. So I've already started a little bit, but we'll go ahead and show you the whole process. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need to gather several different shades of a mid to heavyweight cardstock. So anywhere between 65 to 100 pound weight cardstock would work fine for cutting out all the different layers of the 3D butterfly. And for this project, we decided to use several shades of blue, but then also a sparkling turquoise blue glitter paper as the butterfly base. And to make this double-sided 3D layered butterfly, you will need to cut out the different layers of the butterfly twice, so you'll have 2 of each layer. And then you're going to need a strong glue to adhere the layers of the butterfly together. So start with the first layer of the butterfly, that's this glitter layer, and apply the glue just in the middle of the butterfly. And then you'll take the next layer and press that on top of this one. And then you're just going to repeat this again, apply glue just in the middle, and then press the next layer on top. And then repeat with the remaining layer. And then since you cut out the layers twice, you'll end up with 2 layered butterflies. So you'll want to wait until the glue dries and then gently fold the layers of the butterfly up to add some space and dimension between the wings. And I think this really helps to show just how beautiful this 3D project really is. And then you're going to glue the 2 sides of the butterfly together. And in order for it to hang from the mobile, you'll need to place a string in between the butterflies. So before you glue them together. So I just take a thin string, place it in the middle of one of the butterflies, and I'll put a piece of tape down first and then apply glue to the back of the butterfly and press the 2 together. And then just go ahead and set that aside to dry completely. And then use that same butterfly cut file to cut out additional butterflies. So in different sizes, different colors of cardstock, and this is just going to help fill out the mobile with lots and lots of beautiful butterflies. And in order to hang these, you'll want to glue or tape a string to the middle of them and kind of cascade the largest butterflies on top down to the smaller butterflies towards the middle. And so you can either use glue or just put a small piece of tape on the string in the middle of the butterflies to get them to create these butterfly strings and create several of them to suspend from the mobile. And then you'll want a large hoop. So for the large project, I used a 14-inch embroidery hoop as a structure of the mobile. This is a smaller hoop just for demonstration. So in order to get it to hang, you're going to take a length of string and apply or wrap it around either side of the hoop. Going vertically and horizontally, and then the extra string that hangs off out through the edges, you'll grab them up and gather them in the middle and tie it in a knot. And then you'll have this single bunch of strings in the middle, and that's what you can use to suspend the mobile. Next, you're going to be assembling everything. So take those butterfly strings that you created earlier, and I just used tape to adhere them to the embroidery hoop. And I actually found that it was easiest to assemble this when I hung the hoop first and then added the butterflies. And so this not only helped me to make sure that the hoop was hanging straight, so that there was, an even amount of butterflies all around it. But then I could also play around with the different lengths of the strings and vary them, and just to really see how I wanted this mobile to look. And you can add as many butterflies as you desire. I say the more the better to adorn your butterfly. And again, these I think look stunning as home decor for like bedrooms, and super impressive for party decorations. So you can grab this 3D layered paper butterfly file that we used to create this project in the multi-layer SVG and font bundle at Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description for that. So definitely go ahead and try this project for yourself and create something really beautiful for your home. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.